on another interesting topic of conversation. If you remember this girl here with a beautiful voice. Well, we as a country are finally happy for her, as she recently met Chris Brown, the person who changed her life by sampling her voice on the song Shooter. As the internet keeps showing her love, we thank Chris Brown for changing her life.
I can't thank y'all enough. I can't tell you how honored I am to be here. We at the fucking Breezy Bowl. Now last night was something real special. But I have to say tonight, y'all tore that motherfucker up. I wish this night could last forever. But you know how I get out, so if you go like